Hello and welcome to this video. I'm William, and today we're diving into the enchanting realm of your astrology language. Brace yourself for a journey into the cosmic wonders that this product promises to unveil. Your astrology language is no stranger to the internet spotlight, boasting itself as a comprehensive, enlightening guide that weaves through the celestial tapestry, revealing the language of the stars. In this video, I'm your cosmic guide, unraveling the mysteries and sharing crucial insights about this product. But before we delve too deep, a word of caution awaits. I want to equip you with the knowledge to discern whether your astrology language is truly the celestial guide you seek. This video is more than a review. It's a revelation, so pay close attention to what I'm about to share. If you're already acquainted with this guide and are here seeking the official website link, fear not. I've got you covered. Check the video description and comments for the secure portal to your astrology language, ensuring you don't wander into the wrong cosmic territory. Now, let's talk about what your astrology language brings to the cosmic table. It's a holistic guide, navigating through the zodiac signs, planets, and houses. Sarah, the mind behind it all, shares invaluable advice on how to decipher your personality, relationships, and life path using astrology. Whether you're a starry-eyed beginner or a seasoned cosmic voyager, your astrology language has something for you. It's an immersive guide, unlocking the secrets of this captivating subject in a way that's both accessible and engaging. As we orbit deeper into its pages, your astrology language excels in several areas. It delivers a crystal-clear overview of the astrology fundamentals, offering insightful analyses of each sign's strengths, weaknesses, and potential challenges. The guide generously shares practical tips on leveraging astrology to enhance your life. However, like any cosmic journey, there are aspects that could use a bit more stardust. It might benefit from delving even further into the intricate facets of astrology, providing additional examples on making life-altering decisions. A touch more user-friendliness for beginners wouldn't hurt either. In conclusion, your astrology language is a celestial companion for those eager to explore the cosmos within. If you're yearning to harness the power of astrology for personal growth, this guide beckons. To embark on this cosmic journey, visit the official website, and yes, there's a special discount awaiting you. I truly hope this celestial voyage has illuminated the path for you. Should you have any questions, share them in the comments below. Until next time, may the stars align in your favor.